Monday Noyes notes, 1 degree outside. Meteorologist Danielle Noyes here, your 24-hour forecast, and it's going to be an active 24 hours. Areas rain, downpours, thunder today, localized flooding, gusty wind too. Some pockets of isolated damage and outages will result, lowering humidity tonight into our Tuesday briefly for a much nicer day tomorrow as well. So the rain, the downpours, and the thunder are going to come and go today. Notice there will be some lulls in the action, but through the course of mid to late morning, these downpours will continue to fill in. There'll be some breaks in the afternoon before another line sweeps through. There's just so much moisture in the air today that we're kind of wringing it out with tropical-like downpours that will come in from time to time. Isolated strong to severe storms, gusty wind being able to transport down to the surface as well. And then notice during the evening, we start to dry out in northwestern New England, just a lingering shower. And then after about 8 p.m. too, there'll be some lingering showers over southeastern New England, but the core of the heaviest rain will be focused over late morning, right on through the afternoon to early evening, with partial clearing that comes in through the overnight tonight. How much rain falls? It's going to be variable across New England. Notice there's one area that has like a quarter to a half an inch stretching across northern New England, a little bit more right along the Canadian border, perhaps a little bit less on the Cape where it's about either side of a half an inch, but then 1 to 2 inches focused across southern and perhaps central New England, with some locally higher totals where those downpours train, or in other words, slow down and kind of come over the same areas over the course of the afternoon. It's a generally windy day outside of any thunderstorms, so 20 to 30 mile per hour wind out of the south and southwest. We see some gusts that go over 40 for the immediate coast of the South Shore and Cape. And then notice the coastline of Maine too, Bar Harbor, down East Maine over the course of Monday late afternoon and evening. The wind easing through late this evening and overnight tonight. But in any of the stronger downpours and thunderstorms, the wind is strong above our heads, so that may be able to transport some of that wind down to the surface. So we'll track it for you. The dew point is up there. It is a tropical, soupy air mass. Dew points well into the 70s, which is in that oppressive range. It does lower, you notice, behind the cold front, at least substantially so, particularly for northern New England. It's still sticky in southern New England, but nothing compared to what it will be out there today. And it's a brief lull in the most humid air mass because it does tick back up during the day on Wednesday. Temperatures tonight do drop back into the 60s, 50s in far northern New England. So track it all, of course, with our app, location notifications turned on. Get the hourly forecast, the interactive radar, and of course, any updates as warranted on our 24/7 streaming network. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this 1 Degree Outside video.
Get exclusive content, support the mission at membership.onedegreeoutside.com. And don't forget, free and 5 stars on the App Store and Google Play. Search the #1 Degree Outside weather.